Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I would show you something you might be interested in or find interesting. It is the Sugar Skulls coloring kit, 50 cards and 10 colored pencils. I got this on Book Outlet, and my husband was placing an order, and he always says for me to go through, and see if there's anything I want before he places the order. So I took a look and I saw these, and I was like, oh, these might be cute, and I read the descriptions. So let me just show you the packaging here on the side and on the back. And it says, Sugar Skulls are traditionally used to honor deceased loved ones for Day of the Dead. Now you can color your way to calm with a variety of beautiful sugar skull art. This portable kit includes 10 colored pencils and 50 illustrated cards with detailed sugar skulls and Day of the Dead designs to complete. No drawing skills required. It says $9.95 in the USA, ages 6 and up. This was $2.19 on the Book Depository, or not Book Depository, I'm sorry, Book Outlet. I keep wanting to say that. So if I say Book Depository again, I don't mean to say it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it for you. And that's the inside of it. Your colored pencils are on this side, and your Sugar Skull cards are on this side. So let's take a look. I'm gonna have to turn it, let's see, to open. Oh, it is sealed. So let me just grab these little handy scissors I have and see if I can, there we go. If I can pop the, sorry about this you guys, pop the end of it out to get the colored pencils out. So here are the colored pencils, quite mini. Here's the length of my thumb next to the colored pencils. So you can definitely see they are little. There is, looks like all the primary colors, and I guess I could try one and see how they color. Let's open the cards next. Yeah, it was a little bit smaller than I expected it, even though I read the dimensions. I was hoping that they would be more like maybe a deck of tarot cards, like that size, but this is okay. So I'm going to fold this back up. This is cute. I like the little picture of the, looks like a dog. So I'm going to close this up, and these are wrapped in plastic, so I'm going to cut that off. We'll put the colored pencils back in there for you to look at those. I don't know, I just thought these might be cute and fun. Something different. When you've been coloring for a long time, or you're really into it, like so many of us are, sometimes you just see the same things over and over again, and it's nice every once in a while when you see something different. You just say, hey, that's kind of neat, So these are done by Running Press Miniature, or Running Press. Sarah Webb. I know that name, Sarah Webb. Okay, I have a book by Sarah Webb or two. Carnival, and I'm pretty sure I have Sarah Webb. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the cards look like. This is how big they are. And on the back of them, they have like a diamond print. Oops, I didn't mean to bump the camera. Different colors. I guess I'm going to get where you can see. Here's like a teal color. I think those might be the only. Pink, blue, orange, and teal. Is there any yellow? Oh, wait. I think I see some yellow in here. Yep, and yellow also. So that's kind of neat that the backs have like a pretty pattern on them. And I am not going to go through every single card because they're kind of stuck together. But we'll just look at a couple of them. Yeah, I have a book. I have two books, I'm almost positive, by Sarah Webb. And one of them is Day of the Dead themed. I'm not, oops, I dropped some. Day of the Dead themed. I'm not sure what, yeah, because I've actually colored this page before in a full-size coloring book. So how cute is that? Fun. So it's just kind of different, you know. Let's take a look at these. There's a lady. Oh, that one's cute. I like the cactus. So, yeah. Alright, let me pick one. Oh, that one's fun too. But they are tiny, you know, like playing cards. Alright, so let's pick one. We're gonna zoom in. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit, you guys. I'm sorry about that. Oh, let's see. There we go. Let me open the pencils, and we'll just do a quick little color to see if the pencils have any like pigment to them or how they are. I mean, not that I think you would need to be using. Okay, sorry about that. So, okay, I pulled out the little pencils, and let's try this green one on this cactus. So these would be hard for me to hold anyways, because usually when my pencils get down to this size, that's when I start having difficulties with them. But I want to make sure this is still in the frame here. Okay, so this is a light green. Let's try the darker green. I would say they kind of feel like Crayola, basically. Let's see if we can try to... So this darker green doesn't want to go over the lighter green very much that I laid down initially. Alright, let's try the pink one. And we'll do a little bit on this flower here. Okay, so not like super bright and vibrant, but you know, what do you expect, right? I mean, it's $2, $2.19 for the whole deal. I have no complaints. Yellow's not too bad. Let's try the red. And then I gotta clean up my mess here and start some nachos. Keith's been working out in the yard all day, trimming trees and cleaning the gutters. And he's gonna be getting hungry. It's supposed to be storming today. I'll try a purple here. Let's do this one. So the pencils aren't horrible. I mean, as long as you're just wanting to straight color, they're fine for that, you know. And they're tiny, so they might entertain, you know, be good for kids or even for yourself. Like, I go places with Keith a lot and I'll sit in the car. Like, sometimes I just like riding along, even if I don't have to go in, and I'll sit in the car. So these would be kind of neat to keep in the console or something, you know what I mean? And then you could just pull them out if you know, wanted something to doodle or you were bored or whatever. Well, when he ordered these for me, and when they sent his order, they didn't include these. So he had to contact them and say, oh, they charged him for them, but they didn't include them in the order. So he contacted them and said, you know, you forgot to add the sugar skulls, so they mailed me one out. So they sent me this whole thing, and we're only, like I said, $2.19. But but just kind of cute, you know, for doodling around or goofing around. So, yeah, and I think the pages are really cute. Some of them are, like, super fun, you know. So, but here is a close-up of that. Not anything spectacular, but, you know, like, what do you expect, right? So, these were the 50 Sugar Skulls coloring kit with 50 cards and 10 colored pencils. And you could keep them in this pack easily. Put the pencils back in the side they go in, and then the cards slide right in there. So that is handy. I mean, seriously. I mean, super tiny. Like, look, I zoom back out. Look how tiny they are. Just so you can see, compared to a Deborah Muller book, this is the size. There you go. Tiny. But fun and cute, and definitely worth $2.19 with 50 cards to color. I mean, that's awesome. So yeah. All right, you guys. Well, I don't know if these are still available at Book Outlet, but if they are, I will link them below. At the time I ordered them, I think they had a whole bunch. They had like 130 or something available. So I will link them if they're still available. And if they're not, I'm sure you can probably find it on Amazon or someplace, you know. And if they are available on Amazon, I can link them there too, but I bet they won't be $2.19. All right, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. You know, just a follow-up note too that I didn't even think of. You could probably use alcohol markers on these, and I bet they would be fine. It's a cardstock that they're on, so it's not like that would bleed through too much. Where's the one I worked on? I thought I could try to do a little demo of here it is. Alright, so let's take, this is the one that I colored. That's what it looks like on the other side. So let's get an alcohol marker and see what happens. I've got some in my drawer here. I'll use this green. Well, you know what? That's a little bit light. Let's try a darker one so we can see. Key lime. I'm going to try this big marking key lime. And let's see what happens. I'll zoom in a little bit. Boy, I'm making this video be like the longest ever. Alright, so that's what on this. And it does not bleed through to the other side. So yeah, so you could use alcohol markers on them too. That'd be kind of fun. Keep some Sharpies or whatever. Like, I like these big markings, but you know, whatever you need. Just keep them in your purse or your bag or whatever. And then bust them out and see. Yep. I don't think I see any bleed through. Do you guys? So, okay, that's it. Now I really am going to go. I just thought of that. But all right, thanks you guys. I'll see you later.